Up first this evening, the Western Regional Health Authority is to receive a report in the next 2 days on the disappearance of 10 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine from the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James. The report is expected to contain the findings from the internal auditor who is leading the investigation. Chairman of the Western Regional Health Authority made the revelation today on Power 106's Morning Agenda. Anthony Lugg reports.
Where is the missing vial? A question many have been asking since news broke that a vial containing 10 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine went missing from the Cornwall Regional Hospital on Monday night. The incident forced the Western Regional Health Authority to send in its internal auditors to ascertain how the vial went missing. This has led to questions about whether the vial was stolen or misplaced. Director of the Western Regional Health Authority, Errol Green, responded to the issue.
There's a possibility that it could be misplaced. There's a possibility that it could drop and break. But if the scenario was the latter, meaning drop and break, then obviously there are protocols that deals with that as well. Because we have even asked for photographs to be taken of the broken vials in the event that happened. But there's a possibility as well that it could be misplaced. The vials are very small, so I'm not ruling out anything at this point.
But one would have thought that identifying how the vial went missing would be an easy process, especially since the hospital is equipped with CCTV cameras. So, how long will the country have to wait to hear the findings of the audit?
The process is being audited by the Ministry of Health and Wellness, and I've asked the internal auditor at the Western Regional Health Authority to conduct an investigation and provide a report as soon as possible.
You say as soon as possible, but do you have a time frame in mind when you should receive a report?
Certainly within the next 48 hours, I would expect. It depends on who you have to talk to what you have to look at, and so on.
TVJ News has learned that 6 workers have been reassigned stemming from the incident. It's not clear how this will impact the administering of the vaccines in the region. Mr. Green says it shouldn't.
Well, we have other individuals. Remember now, we just don't employ persons to administer the vaccine. These are persons who would have been very experienced, who have worked in other areas and are working in other areas within the region. So we can't always find persons to reassign the duties to.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.